Hi guys, so for today's video, I am here to interview one of the JCHOF House of Franchise founders, Mr. Carlito Macadangdang. Hello po, sir.
Hello, kamusta ka?
Okay naman po. So, I want to ask 3 questions po. How did you earn your first million po?
How did I earn my first million? Ang tagal na nun, 20 years ago pa yun ah. Tatrabaho lang ako, gumagawa lang ako ng siomai. Nagbebenta lang kami ni partner Jonathan ng siomai. And di ko na rin na-realize na kumita ka na. And on how and when, basically hindi ko siya alam, pero sa sipag, yun lang talaga yung puhunan na.
How do you manage JC and HOF at the same time po?
Alam mo, pag tumatanda ka, tapos lumalaki yung company mo, you learn along the way na growing a business or expanding, hindi mo yan kaya mag-isa. We wanted to be surrounded with people with good heart, good mind, and good judgment.
Okay. Last question po, boss. What's your advice for the younger generation po?
Walang shortcut. Pagtatrabahuan mo, mga bagay-bagay sa buhay makukuha mo. Basta, lagi mo tatandaan, minsan, yung pinagdadaanan mo, you always want to find the easier way out, o yung mga napapanood mo, tingin mo simple lang na gusto mo na mabilisan. Sa buhay, walang mabilisan. Kaya mong makuha yung mga bagay na pinapangarap mo, basta matyaga ka at masipag ka.
Okay. Thank you po,
Thank
boss.
you.
So yun guys, katulad ng sinabi ni Boss C, no shortcut sa buhay. You need to work hard for everything you have. So yun, bye-bye.